Okay, going to review these expensive earbuds. The expectations are high, I'm not gonna lie. This is supposed to be lossless sound quality, which sounds amazing. The price is also at the amazing level, so we'll see how well these perform. But first, let's start with the unboxing. So far so good. This is very neat here. It's a cutout in the outer section of this box. Very nice touch. And the box itself already communicates, hey, I am a high-end product. This is very, very neat. I'm not sure how to proceed from here. Oh wait, this says open. Oh, so it opens like this. It's just magnetic. Whew. Neat, 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 neat. Enjoy your high fidelity life. Enjoy your hi-fi life. Very well. I certainly will. Okay. This is some basic instructions here. Ooh, look at this. This is unique already. Oh, wow. No one else does the case like this. So you press this button and it opens. This is high-tech. This is futuristic. I love it. Here are the earbuds themselves. Should I read more instructions about how to take them out? No, they came out. Lime green speaker cover. Neat. There are so many neat touches here. I like the ergonomics already. I'll comment on that more when I insert them in my ears and tell you guys exactly how they fit. But I love the shape so far. And this futuristic case that looks like a cryo chamber. Charging port right here. This case is heavy. It's a heavy, heavy, substantial case. Looks a little bit like a teardrop. And normally I don't like shiny surfaces, glossy surfaces, finishes on earbud cases, but man, this works. This looks like a jewelry case. Very high-end. Beautiful. What else is in the box? Okay, so this part, we can raise this part now, get it out of here, and there's another layer here, and I'm sure this is supposed to pop up, but it doesn't, so I'm gonna help it a little bit with the knife and get it out this way. Okay, here we go. This opens. There's all kinds of documents here that we're going to skip. Ear tips. How many do we have? Looks like 2 additional. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I missing something? How is there only 5? There's only 5? What happened? There's supposed to be, okay, one was hiding under the bigger one, so that's the answer. There's 3 additional sizes for you to experiment with and make sure you find one that fits you best and creates a great seal. What I absolutely love about these is this mesh that's built in. See this? This green, lime green mesh is built in into the ear tip. So that is fantastic. And I've said that before in my reviews that every manufacturer should do this because it absolutely, positively, beautifully helps keeping the ear gunk from going on the more sensitive parts of your earbud. So if you remove the ear tip, this is what the speaker cover really looks like, the driver cover on the earbud itself. But the most important part is what do they sound like. So let me perform that test right now. And the verdict is they sound incredibly good. I think they were aimed at audiophiles and they absolutely deliver that audiophile, crisp, very detailed sound signature. Every frequency is covered extremely well. There's strong bass on these, and the other frequencies are as detailed as it gets. There's great instrument separation. I highly recommend these to anybody who can afford them.